Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's transforming how students prepare for competitive exams: artificial intelligence tools. If you're preparing for the UGC NET exam, you've probably realized that memorizing facts alone no longer works. Gone are the days of rote memorization. In recent years, the exam has shifted its focus towards conceptual understanding, logical application, and critical thinking. And I know many students might not have access to top level coaching, expensive guidebooks, or expert mentors. But if you're watching this video, then chances are you already have access to the most powerful resource, a device, and an internet connection. With that, AI becomes your free study partner. These tools can help you build stronger concepts, organize your syllabus, get instant help with doubts, and revise smarter. They won't replace your hard work, but they can definitely make your preparation more efficient. So, in this video, we are going to explore 5 powerful and absolutely free AI tools that every UGC NET aspirant should definitely try during their preparation. And as we reach the end, I will also talk about the biggest mistakes that most students make while using AI, along with how you can avoid falling into the same trap. So, stay with me till the very end. Also, please remember, this is not a sponsored video. These are just the tools I have used myself and found helpful and wanted to share with you. Friends, if you are looking for more PYQs on this topic, you can refer to the Unit 10 questions in my UGC NET Paper 1 book that provides you with 6500 plus solved unit-wise questions with detailed solutions and hints. But hey, what if you are looking for online mock tests that can help you practice questions in online exam format? If that's what you are looking for, you can join our newly updated online mock test series with a wide range of full-length tests available on the Arpita Karwa learning app. These tests perfectly replicate the UGC NET exam interface, providing you with a real-life exam experience. Plus, after each test, you'll receive a detailed performance report and see where you stand in the All India leaderboard. Let's begin with the one you probably already know about, ChatGPT. You can go to their website or download the app. ChatGPT is like your 24/7 doubt solver. Whether it's early morning or past midnight, you can type in your question and get a clear, to the point explanation. For example, you can ask it to explain the difference between inductive and deductive reasoning, summarize Derrida's theory of deconstruction in 100 words, or create multiple choice questions on learning theories. It can even generate examples to help you understand tricky concepts and prepare short revision notes from long ones. This tool is extremely helpful for both Paper 1 and Paper 2. But there's one rule you must always remember. Never depend on ChatGPT blindly. ChatGPT is trained on a vast amount of data, and while it sounds confident, sometimes it gives incorrect or outdated answers. That's why it's important to always cross-check its responses with trusted textbooks or official sources. You can think of ChatGPT as a torch in a dark room. It lights your way, but you still have to walk with care. Also, remember that ChatGPT cannot replace the experience and guidance of a real teacher or a carefully written textbook. It can assist you, but it cannot think for you. Friends, if you are looking for a book that can be a one-stop destination for your Paper 1 prep, that is both accurate and updated to the latest information, look no further than my Amazon bestseller. A book in which we have explained complex topics of UGC NET Paper 1 using real-life examples, images, and diagrams. In fact, our courseware on UGC NET Paper 1 book is India's only UGC NET book that comes with 100 plus video lectures and 4000 plus unit-wise solved PYQs. Now, let's say you want to fact-check the responses you get from ChatGPT. The next tool you should use is Perplexity AI. You can go to their website or download the app. Perplexity is an AI tool that gives you not only the answer but also the source of the information. So, if you ask who coined the term intertextuality, it will say Julia Kristeva and show you the original article or link from which that information was taken. This helps you verify whether the source of the information given to you is a reliable one or not. This becomes specially useful for Paper 1 units like, say, higher education, people, development and environment, or even information and communication technology. These are areas where ChatGPT might be outdated because its training data stops at a certain point. So instead of trusting the first answer you see, use Perplexity to confirm it and even follow the source for deeper understanding. You can go to the source article or paper and read it in detail. This will boost your understanding. You can think of Perplexity as your personal fact checker who makes sure you're not revising the wrong information. Friends, did you know that to ace UGC NET Paper 2 English, you need to be familiar with around 1,200 important writers, concepts, and terms? The complete list of topics that are repeatedly asked in UGC NET English exam is available absolutely free on our website. You can download the list and start preparing for UGC NET at your own pace today. So, don't miss out. Click on the website link given in description box to download the detailed topic list and confidently prepare for the upcoming UGC NET exam. And if you're looking for video lectures that can explain difficult topics in a very simple and easy manner, then consider enrolling in our online course for UGC NET English. We are proud to be India's first animated video course, where we explain over 500 important plays, novels, and poems in an engaging way. For more details, check out the description box or download the Arpita Karwa learning app. Now let's talk about a toolset you probably already use, Google Keep and Google Docs. You don't need to learn anything new. You can open Google Keep from your browser or download the app. Use Google Keep to jot down quick points while watching lectures or reading. You can create syllabus checklists, daily targets, and important highlights on the go. Then, copy those notes into Google Docs, where AI-powered suggestions help you clean up your writing, expand key points, or summarize your content clearly. Google Docs can also help you rewrite confusing paragraphs, fix grammar, and organize your notes with proper headings. This combo keeps your study notes tidy and accessible across all devices through syncing. Oh, and by the way, who doesn't love free stuff? If you want even more past year questions on this topic without spending a penny, head over to our website. Under the past year paper tab, you will find all the PYQs from 2012 onwards. Ours is the only website that offers 150 plus official UGC NET Paper 1 question papers with authentic answer keys for absolutely free. So, what are you waiting for? Check the description box and grab those free resources today. Now, sometimes you'll come across research papers, critical essays, or theoretical texts that feel too complex to understand. That's when Explain Paper AI becomes a lifesaver. You can go to their website or download the app. This tool is designed to simplify tough academic language. You can upload a PDF of any academic paper or literary essay, highlight the part that confuses you, and ask the AI to explain it in simple language. You can even adjust the maturity or difficulty level of the explanation. Whether you are struggling with Barthes writing or dense cultural studies theories, this tool makes it all more digestible. It feels like having a helpful professor sit beside you, pointing at the line and saying, "Here's what this actually means." Explain Paper is great for dealing with literary criticism, cultural studies, or research methodology, where the original language can be quite dense and complex. Understanding concepts becomes easier, and you don't have to just memorize without meaning. Now let's move to the fifth tool, Natural Reader. Let's face it, sometimes your eyes are tired, your back hurts, or you simply don't feel like sitting down to study. But guess what? Natural Reader lets you keep learning even when you're not actively reading. Natural Reader converts any written content into audio using natural sounding voices. This is perfect for those who like audio-based learning or want to revise while walking, cooking, or commuting. You can take your notes, upload them, and listen to them like a podcast. You can even convert your notes or previous year questions into playlists and replay them during your revision time. This makes your study routine more flexible and helps you revise even when you are away from books. Imagine how easy it would become to revise all the previous year questions on the go. No need to sit with a book or screen. Just plug in your earphones and let the revision happen passively yet powerfully. Whether you're an oral learner or someone juggling studies with a busy schedule, Natural Reader helps you make every moment productive. It's study time, anytime. Friends, if you want past year questions without spending a penny, head over to our website. Under the past year paper tab, you'll find all the PYQs from 2012 onwards. Ours is the only website that offers 150 plus official UGC NET Paper 1 question papers with authentic answer keys for absolutely free. So go ahead and grab those free resources while you can. So far, we've discussed 5 powerful tools that can completely change your preparation strategy. But now, let's talk about something even more important. The biggest mistake students make when using AI, and that is outsourcing your thinking to these tools. AI should support your preparation, not replace your brain. A lot of students make the mistake of passively copying AI answers into their notebooks, memorizing them without actually understanding the concept. Some even skip note making altogether, thinking the AI will always be there to answer. Others forget to attempt mock tests, which are essential to train your brain to apply knowledge under pressure. And some get carried away having long conversations with AI instead of using that time to revise, practice, or reflect. The truth is, UGC NET is not just a test of information, it is a test of your ability to analyze, evaluate, and apply that information. If you allow AI to do all the thinking, you lose the muscle that you actually need to crack the exam, your own reasoning skills. So, make sure you treat these tools as assistants, not substitutes. Use them to simplify, organize, revise, and reinforce, but never let them think for you. At the end of the day, your discipline, your curiosity, and your ability to connect concepts are what will get you through. Together, these tools can make your UGC NET journey more effective and less stressful. But only if you use them wisely. That's it from my side for this video lecture. I hope these AI tools will help you greatly in your UGC.NET journey. We'll meet very soon in the next video. Till the time we meet next, happy learning, keep loving literature, and stay tuned to my channel.